Hi. In this video we're going to be going through the process of using the Automet Fab survey system to produce an exact isometric drawing of an existing section of pipework. For a more general overview of the Automet system, please consider watching our introduction video if you haven't seen it already. We'll give you a link to it above and in the video description. Firstly, a preliminary design is manually entered into the system or imported from an isometric file. This design includes the pipe component specifications and the approximate geometry of the spool to be duplicated. Using this preliminary design, we perform a survey of the actual spool to be replaced. This survey can be taken on-site while the spool is still installed, or after it has been removed. The survey can even be taken without the spool being present at all by surveying the flanges the spool is to mate with. More information on the survey process can be seen in our video about pipework replacement, which we'll give you a link to above. The survey results are presented in the software as positional differences from the preliminary design. This orange number specifies the surface misalignment in millimeters, and the blue number is the flange rotation error, also in millimeters. These positional differences then have to be reoriented in order to make it easier to produce a matching design. There are a number of factors that might influence exactly how this is performed, but it's best to keep everything as simple as possible. For this example, the fit preference on the support is set so that its base is flat level. Flange 1 and flange 2 are then oriented so that they are exactly in plane. Notice the base is still level. Finally, flange 1 is set so that the positional differences are 0, so it can be used as the origin point of the design. Now, the preliminary design can be modified using the survey as a reference to create the final deliverable. Firstly, the flanges are repositioned by using the pipe length editor until the coordinates match the survey. Optionally, the flange alignment and orientation can then be corrected by changing the azimuth, zenith and rotation of each flange. This is often required to exactly match a survey taken on site. Finally, the design is checked against the survey by running it back through the analysis step to ensure the positional differences are close to 0. The final deliverable drawing can then be exported and printed, alongside its bill of materials, and used to fabricate an exact replacement for the original section of pipework. The entire process is very quick and easy to perform with a minimal amount of training, which will of course be provided by MLTech. For more in-depth coverage of the survey process, please take a look at our other videos, and get in touch with us using the details provided if you would like more information or a live demonstration. Thanks very much for watching.